Here at Sawblade.com, we understand that you need results, not excuses. So stop settling for cheap Portaband blades that never last and upgrade to the MK Morse 24 TPI Industrial Portaband blade. Whether you're a contractor or a do-it-yourself type, this durable blade is designed for high performance with a reinforced tooth backing to help reduce tooth stripping and a patented design to help minimize damaging vibrations. The 28 13/16 inch long Portaband blade will fit the Bosch and Masterforce machines and will excel in cutting materials thinner than a 14 gauge thickness. The 24 TPI blade cuts prime applications such as a Schedule 42 inch pipe, rigid conduit for electrical, strut, and threaded rod. The teeth of the 24 TPI blade are designed with a large backer, so it withstands the high impact and stress of going in and out of materials. This tooth design also helps improve blade life and leaves a clean, workable finish. This American-made blade is engineered to reduce problematic vibrations that strip teeth and cause blade chatter. At Sawblade.com, we manufacture quality American bandsaw blades that are made to order and offer an extensive line of sawing products. We also sell circular blades, coolant, machines, and aftermarket parts. So you can think of Sawblade.com as your one-stop shop for all of your sawing needs. Thanks for watching, and please also check out Sawblade.tv for more in-depth videos, product overviews, and tech tips to take your cutting to the next level. I'm Celeste, product specialist at Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.